Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these lovely festive yarn hats with really simple materials. To make these yarn hat decorations, you will need some yarn. The chunkier the yarn, the better it is. And you can do this in any colour you would like. You would need a toilet roll or kitchen roll. Then either some cotton wool or you can use tissue paper. And a pair of scissors. To start, we need to chop down our toilet roll into smaller sections. I measure about a 2 centimetre width and I cut across the toilet roll. This will make a smaller ring. I'm now going to take my yarn and I need to make lots of lengths. You can measure it out individually, but I think a good trick is to use a book. We're going to take the end of the yarn and pop it in the centre of the book. And then we're going to wrap around the width of the book many times until we reach back into the middle again. Once we are back in the middle, we're going to take a pair of scissors and we're going to snip across all of these lengths. This will leave you a whole bunch of lengths the same size. I measure these out about 30 centimetres in length. Now we need to attach all these individual lengths onto the toilet roll. So what we need to do is a reverse lark's head knot. So we're going to take one of our lengths and fold it in half. We're going to slide it in the centre of the toilet roll, and then we're going to bring the fold where that hoop is to the front, and then we're going to pop our fingers through that hole and we're going to grab those 2 loose lengths through that gap and pull to tighten. And that is a reverse lark's head knot. We now need to do the same for every single one of those lengths until we have completely covered the toilet roll. Once we've completely covered the toilet roll with our yarn lengths, we need to turn this inside out. So we're going to push all of the tails of the strands through the centre of the toilet roll to the opposite side. Once we've done that, we want to pop in our cotton wool to give shape to the wool hats. Like I said before, you could also use crumpled up tissue paper or other materials. So I take the cotton wool and I push it into the centre of the hat, just slightly above the ring of the toilet roll. We now need to cut one final length of yarn. I usually measure this about 40 or 50 centimetres, and we're going to make this into the hoop to be able to hang it up on our tree. So we need to fold this length in half, and we're going to wrap it around all of those loose strands of the hat. Make sure you leave a little bit of space so you've still got that shape with the cotton wool. And then we're going to tie a very nice tight double knot.
Once
once we've secured the hanging piece, we need to chop down all of those leftover strands to make the nice fluffy bobble. Be careful not to cut the hanging part. And there you have your finished yarn bobble hat. Perfect to pop on a tree or to give as a gift. As you can see, I've done them in a range of colours. You could even do them in multicolours. You can change the thickness of the yarn as well. You can pick and choose how you'd like to make them. For more Christmas inspiration, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.